Tired of a slow computer? Does it feel like your PC is dragging its feet, taking forever to load even the simplest of tasks? We've all been there, staring at the screen, waiting for something to happen. It's frustrating, isn't it? But don't worry, there's a solution that doesn't involve buying a new computer or spending a lot of money on upgrades. Get ready to speed things up by removing unused programs. These programs might have been useful once, but now they're just taking up space and resources. By getting rid of them, you can free up valuable system resources and make your computer run faster and more efficiently. Unwanted programs can make your computer slow and clunky. They clutter your desktop, hog your memory, and can even cause your system to crash. Imagine your computer as a busy office. If there are too many unnecessary files and programs lying around, it becomes difficult to find what you need, and everything slows down. Today, we'll show you how to safely and completely uninstall them. This isn't just about deleting shortcuts from your desktop. It's about removing every trace of these programs from your system. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can do it with confidence. Ready? Let's go. First, why should you bother uninstalling unused programs? It might seem like a hassle, but the benefits are worth it. Not only will your computer run faster, but you'll also have more space for the programs and files you actually use. First, why should you bother uninstalling unused programs? Let's dive a bit deeper into this. Unused programs can be a drain on your system's resources. They can run in the background, using up memory and processing power that could be better spent on the tasks you care about. Plus, they can create security vulnerabilities, making your computer more susceptible to malware and other threats. They take up space, slow down your system, and can even be security risks. Think of them as digital clutter. Just like you wouldn't want a bunch of old, unused items taking up space in your home, you don't want unnecessary programs cluttering up your computer. By removing them, you can improve your system's performance and security. So, it's time to clean house. Let's get rid of that digital clutter and make your computer feel like new again. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Start by using built-in Windows tools. These tools are designed to help you manage your programs and keep your system running smoothly. They're easy to use and can be very effective. Open your Start menu, type Control Panel, and select Uninstall a Program. This will bring up a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Take a look through the list and see if there are any programs you no longer need or use. Find the program you don't need, right-click, and hit Uninstall. It's as simple as that. The program will be removed from your system, freeing up space and resources. But be careful not to uninstall anything you're not sure about. If in doubt, do a quick search online to see if the program is essential. Easy, right? But what about those stubborn apps that won't go away? Sometimes a program might not uninstall properly, or it might leave behind files and registry entries that can still cause problems. But what about those stubborn apps that won't go away? These can be a bit trickier to deal with, but don't worry, we've got you covered. There are tools available that can help you remove even the most stubborn programs. For those, you might need to get a bit more advanced. This is where third-party uninstaller tools come in. These tools are designed to remove every trace of a program from your system, including files and registry entries that the built-in uninstaller might miss. Tools like Revo Uninstaller can help remove every trace of unwanted software. Revo Uninstaller is a powerful tool that can scan your system for leftover files and registry entries, ensuring that the program is completely removed. It's easy to use and can be very effective. Just download, install, and let it do the hard work. Revo Uninstaller will guide you through the process, making it easy to remove even the most stubborn programs. Once the program is uninstalled, Revo will scan your system for any leftover files and give you the option to delete them. Now, don't forget to clean up any leftover files. Even after you've uninstalled a program, there might still be files and registry entries left behind. These can take up space and cause problems, so it's important to clean them up. Programs like CCleaner can scan for residual files and help you reclaim that precious space. CCleaner is a popular tool that can help you clean up your system and improve its performance. It can scan for leftover files, temporary files, and other junk that can slow down your computer. Remember, always double-check before deleting anything to avoid removing essential programs. It's always a good idea to be cautious when deleting files. If you're not sure what a file is, do a quick search online to see if it's something you need. Better safe than sorry. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can remove unwanted programs from your computer and improve its performance. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference. Regularly cleaning out unused software can keep your PC running smoothly and securely. Make it a habit to review your installed programs every few months and remove anything you no longer need. This will help keep your system running smoothly and reduce the risk of security vulnerabilities. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. We're always here to help you get the most out of your technology. By subscribing, you'll get access to our latest tutorials and tips so you can keep your computer running smoothly. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our weekly tutorials. We post new videos every week covering a wide range of topics to help you with your tech needs. By hitting the bell icon, you'll get notified whenever we post a new video, so you'll never miss out. Thanks for watching Serpi Tech Guru. We appreciate your support and hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and are always looking for ways to improve our content. See you next time.